let's bring you this interesting story of how a burglary case was busted by Noida police, where you have a situation where six men arrested who admitted to having committed a theft of 40 kilograms of gold and over 6.25 crore cash from a flat in a housing society in September last year. Police even claim to have recovered 57 lakh rupees, one SUV vehicle's documents related to property bought from the theft money. But the twist in the story is that the alleged owner of the house, currently in the United States, denies to even owning a house in that area. Police is suspecting that the man never submitted a complaint of theft because it could be unaccounted cash and gold. On the other hand, the lawyer of the owner claims it to be a smear campaign against his client, as he is a Supreme Court lawyer and a petitioner in some big scam cases. So clearly, this is an interesting twist in the tale, and there are, in fact, a number of twists and turns in this. Let me go across to Alok to understand this. So Alok, the quantum, first of all, is huge. We are talking about 40 kilograms of gold, 6.5 crore rupees. And it seems that the owner, supposed owner, is claiming that this does not belong to him. Now, what is the status of the probe as of now?
See, Afrida, this case is very interesting because if you see the claims and counter claims, Uttar Pradesh police, basically Noida police, which is investigating the case, they are saying that they have complete authentic documents and as well as the statements and the interrogation of these six persons who claimed that they went and in fact they barged into the housing society where they committed that theft in September month. But if you see the CCTVs, police has not recovered any kind of CCTV where they could say that yes, they are entering the house, they are barging into the house. But police says that they have some evidences related to the case. Apart from that, the owner, who is alleged owner of this flat, he says that he never stayed in this house, and in fact he is running a law firm. So he says that there might be some persons who are basically the enemies of this man, and they might have running this smear campaign against him. And in fact, they have also fooled the police, Noida police, by staging these kinds of people against him. Those who are claiming that they are thief and they in fact committed this theft. So definitely case has reached at a very interesting point. As of now, police says that they have already informed Enforcement Directorate and Income Tax officers so that they could further investigate this matter. Yesterday, in fact, the team of both the units also went to the house and other properties of the alleged person. And in fact, they haven't found any concrete evidences against him. Apart from that, the person who is accused, he is presently staying in Philadelphia, and he says that he never carried such quantity of cash or gold at his house. His house is also not owned by him. So definitely we have to wait that what the investigation will take turn, how the investigation will take turn.
Yes.
But right now police is still stand on their claims. However, the alleged owner of this house, he also still stands on his claim. Back to you.
Yes, so one version is that the whole thing is planted, but then interestingly, there is a person who has confessed to this crime, saying that he is responsible for this theft. And police also, of course, claiming that they have busted this burglary. Thanks for joining us, Alok, with the latest on this.